Welcome to Vadootv. Now, before I start, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever wondered, could you have better customer testimonials? Well, let me explain what I'm talking about, right? We see all these customer testimonials on all these sites, right? They're written. And as much weight as they carry, a lot of people think that they are fake. Or on a lot of people, these reviews don't really have an impact. So what do you do as a channel owner, as a business owner? What do you do? Well, you use Vadootv for better customer testimonials. And let me tell you how. We have something known as a video request feature. Now what this feature allows you to do is, it allows you to request your customers, your viewers, your subscribers to give a video review for your service. And what this will do for you is basically boost people's trust in you. And we really want that to happen. So we have made this process really simple for you, right? So let's get down to the process. But before I start, let me tell you, in this video, I'm also going to give out a secret tip. So make sure that you watch the video fully, all right? So the first step is go to Vadoo.tv. Now, if you haven't yet signed up and are not signed in, simply click on the link given down below in the description and you'll be signed in, don't worry, right? Now from there, you're going to go into something known as the dashboard. In the dashboard on the left side, you're going to see something known as the record button. Just click on the record button. Once you've clicked on the record button, you're going to get a few options. Don't worry, we are going to discuss about all of those options at a later stage. For now, what we're going to do is we are going to only concentrate on get video request URL. Now once you've taken this URL, you'll be redirected to a page. And this page will have a small window that is requesting videos from your customers from your site. Now make sure that you copy the URL given there, right, on the top in the address bar. Copy this URL, paste it everywhere from wherever you want the customer testimonials. But here is the secret tip. You remember in an earlier video that would be right now popping in the I button, I told you about something known as CTA, that is call to action. Now you are going to use the call to action feature and put this URL on that button on one of the videos where you want a customer testimonial. Now when people actually click on that button, they'll be redirected to this page from where they can give you their reviews, right? And these reviews are then going to be stored in your Vadootv dashboard, right? How simple is that? Very simple. And with this, you can take your game, your business, your video much ahead than where it is, right? So make sure that you try this out, and if you have any queries, any doubt, you can text us on the Facebook group or drop a comment down below and we'll answer you right there. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one, hopefully on Vadootv.